1300-meter race is on the way. We have Concert King draws for your lead, Sweet Julian. Magnus Dominus moving up by around 3K. Charlie's racing in fourth is sneaking in between runners. Isaga by the Real Musashi. Green Light and trailing the group is Kirikada Milagros heading towards the half mopo. Magnus Dominus by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Concert King, and racing now in third, Saga, followed by 3K Charlie's. Sweet Julian is running on the outside pit as they race towards the 450. Magnus Dominus just in front. Concert King now takes up the running from the outside. John Alvin Guse on Concert King, now leading the field by our Alancanap. Running in second, Magnus Dominus. Green Light is by the rail, and sneaking in is runner number 8, Sweet Julian. With 100 meters to race, they are all after Concert King by about 3 lengths, and finally Concert King, Magnus Dominus, Sweet Julian. Down comes Ricky Charlize and Green Light for your Pentapekta.